Have you ever felt like you're living life in high definition, while everyone else is still stuck in 720p? You noticed a subtle shift in a friend's tone. You've predicted the ending of a movie 20 minutes before it happens. And frankly, small talk feels like a slow-motion waste of time. If people call you too intense or over-analytical, they're missing the point. It's not a personality quirk. It might be your brain's processing speed. Today, we're diving into the 5 weird science-backed signs that your brain is processing information significantly faster than the average person. Sign number 1, sensory processing sensitivity. The spam filter glitch. Most brains come with a built-in spam filter. When they walk into a room, the brain filters out a large portion of irrelevant data. But if your brain is a high-speed processor, that filter is often wide open. This is known as sensory processing sensitivity, a genetically influenced trait found in roughly 15 to 30% of the population. While others ignore the flickering fluorescent light or the person tapping their pen 3 rows back, your brain is registering, analyzing, and cross-referencing it all simultaneously. Research confirms that people high in this trait show significantly greater activation in brain regions linked to awareness and depth of processing. It's not that you're sensitive. It's that your brain is running a wider environmental scan than most. Sign number 2, the fast-forward boredom, high need for cognition. Do you physically recoil from small talk? To a high-speed brain, how was your weekend? Isn't a question. It's an empty plate because you process the obvious stuff instantly. Your mind is constantly searching for the next layer of information. This is why you likely transform when the conversation shifts to philosophy, ideas, or complex problem solving. You're not antisocial, you're just allergic to conversations that go nowhere. Sign number 3, chronic name amnesia, priority-based encoding. It's happened again. You're talking to someone you've met 3 times and their name is completely gone. You feel rude. But science says you might actually be highly intelligent. When you meet someone, a fast brain is doing an enormous amount of work, reading facial micro-expressions, calculating social context, and gauging emotional safety. Your working memory is managing multiple high-level tasks at once. In that moment, an arbitrary label like Kevin is often what gets dropped first. You remember the texture of who they are, but the label, your brain decided it wasn't worth the bandwidth. Sign number 4, the layered overthinker, strategic simulation. There's a difference between ruminating and simulating. Most people overthink in circles, but if your brain processes fast, you overthink in layers. You're not just worrying, you're running genuine mental simulations. By the time you actually take action, your brain has already worked through multiple possible outcomes and planned around them. This is why you often remain calm during a real crisis. Because while everyone else is reacting in real time, your brain already ran this scenario before it even happened. Sign number 5, the external processor, externalizing the board meeting. If you catch yourself narrating your day or arguing with yourself out loud, don't worry, you aren't going crazy. When thoughts are trapped inside, they can feel like a crowded subway station. By speaking them out loud, you're engaging your auditory cortex and language processing systems simultaneously. You are effectively holding a board meeting with your own brain, creating an external feedback loop that reduces cognitive load and keeps your fast-moving thoughts organized. A fast brain isn't a superpower that makes life easy. Often, it's quietly exhausting. It means you're wired for depth in a world obsessed with noise. If these 5 signs hit home, stop trying to slow down to match the crowd. You aren't broken. You're just built for a different frequency. Which of these signs do you notice in yourself? Let me know in the comments. And if you're a fellow deep thinker, subscribe for more Psychology Simplified.